Imagine sending welcome WhatsApp messages in bulk to all your customers just like this that you can see on the screen without you lifting up your finger. Let's suppose if you have a new list of your customers and towards long list of your customers in bulk, you want to send a welcome message just like this. But selecting all the contacts one by one manually and forwarding the message is a very time consuming part for you. You have to actually give this task to somebody else and they are focusing on some unwanted things. What if I tell you, you can save up a lot of time, you can focus on much better and important things in your business with the help of this amazing hack. In next 10 minutes, you are going to learn how you are going to share bulk WhatsApp messages, welcome messages to your new customers at once without wasting any more of your time. So let's dive into the creation of this amazing setup and stay tuned till the end of this video because somewhere in the middle, I have a gift for you, okay? So now I manage all the WhatsApp conversations in my business using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow helps businesses to maintain and manage WhatsApp conversations very easily and efficiently. You can create WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistants, broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and there are many other features. If you want to learn more about Pabbly Chatflow, how the setup of this account is created, and if you want to learn about the different features of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, check out all the video links in the description section. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow and you will come to the landing page. Sign up for free. If you don't have an account with us, you will receive 100 free tasks every month using which you can check out the features of Pabbly Chatflow one by one. Now let's dive into the creation of this amazing setup of sending bulk messages. After creating and setting up your Pabbly Chatflow entire account, now go towards this template and template list section. Now this message that I forwarded towards all my new customers, I have first created this message template. So let me show you the template that I have created. I want to share this template as a WhatsApp message towards all my customers. So now to create a template just like this for yourself, go towards this add template and add template option. Select the type of template category, name the template over here. Let's suppose for the category, I'll select it over here as marketing, name whatever you want. Select the language in which you are creating your template. Then select the variable type. If you're adding a variable in your template, you have to select the type over here in this field. Next, you have to select the template type. So let's suppose I have this text template. If you want to add in an image or a video, just like a welcome message, you can select the template type according to you. Now in the text template, first you have to enter the header. So you can enter the header according to you. So let's suppose for the header, I'll write over here as welcome message. So you can see the preview right here. Okay, you can enter the text according to your requirement. So this is the text that I've entered, and you can enter the footer also right here if you want. Okay. So now after that, if you want to add in any interaction buttons, you can enter call to actions or quick replies or all in this template that you're creating. Submit the template and then what is going to happen? Template will be created and you will see the status is going to be changed over here as first pending, then it will be updated as approved if Meta is approving your template. So if your Meta is approving the template, that means it's a safe template that you can use to share it to multiple customers, in which way it will be a safe process, and if you're sending bulk messages, your business account won't be banned. Okay, I have created a template using the same methods. This is the template. Now let's create a broadcast inside our Pabbly Chatflow account to share this template as bulk messages to multiple people. Now over here for that, go towards this broadcast section right here. After coming to the broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow, go towards this add broadcast option. Broadcast is a feature using which you can share WhatsApp messages to multiple people at once just by creating the setup. Okay. So first select the broadcast type, for which I will select over here as broadcast campaign. Now for the name of my broadcast, I'll write over here as welcome message digital dynamics. So this is my broadcast name. Now we have to select the contact list. So now what is this contact list? So if I'm going to open this contact section on a new tab right here of my Pabbly Chatflow account, you will come to this contact section. Now I have created a list of this new contacts in the name of new list. Okay. Now in this list, all the new contacts to whom I want to send this kind of a message, a welcome message to, is added in this section. So now you can select a specific list over here in this section. First you have to create the list from here, add your contacts accordingly, and then you have to add that list over here. So I've created one in the name of new list. So I will select this contact list from here. So towards the new contacts that is added in this list, this welcome message will be forwarded. If I want to refine my audience, this is an optional step. I can do that accordingly, but I don't want that, so I will skip the part. Next is select message type. Now I have already created a template message, so I will select the option of pre-approved template message. But if you want to send a regular message, you can enter your regular message over here direct accordingly. Okay, I will select the pre-approved template and I will select this template right here. Only the templates whose status is approved can be selected from this section. Okay, now I'm going to click on this done button. Now as soon as I'm going to do that, the template is selected successfully. Now let's move on forward. Next is that if I want to test what kind of a message will I receive from this broadcast, I can do that as well. So I'm going to enter my name and my phone number over here. And I will send a message, a test broadcast message towards this number to check whether what kind of message when this broadcast is going to run, all the customers will receive. So I will send this message. As soon as I've done that, it says test broadcast sent. On my WhatsApp, you will see I have received the test message. This is the kind of message that will be forwarded towards all my customers. So in this manner, you can also test your broadcast that you're creating. Okay. Now after that, it is asking an option, that is last option, that is, do you want to schedule this broadcast for later, or you want to create this broadcast and send it right away? If you want to instantly send this message towards your customers, you can select the option of no send instantly. But if you want to schedule this broadcast for later, let's suppose I want to share this welcome message tomorrow early morning, so you can select the option of yes, schedule for later. Go towards this calendar option. Let's suppose I'm going to share this message on 26th of May, and then I'm going to select the time over here as 10 a.m. So let me select the time right here. So on 26th of May at 10 a.m. the message is going to forward. This message is going to be forwarded towards this contact list that you have selected. Click on this add broadcast button and you will see in the broadcast section a new broadcast is created in the name of Welcome Message Digital Dynamics. That's the name of my business. It's scheduled for May 26, 2026 at 10 a.m. You will see the preview of the message over here as well. After the broadcast is completed, you can view the stats of the broadcast that you have forwarded from this section directly. Okay. So now as the broadcast has been forwarded, the message just like this towards bulk contacts is going to be forwarded on the date and time that you have selected. So now this is how you send WhatsApp welcome bulk messages towards all your new customers under 10 minutes. I've explained this entire video under 10 minutes. If you have any questions or doubts related to template, broadcast or Pabbly Chatflow, you can comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Now, as you all are waiting for the gift is the coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen, that is ANGYT, will help you to get instant and amazing discounts if you are purchasing the Pabbly Chatflow's earlier lifetime plan. Go ahead, use the code, you will get amazing discounts, and using Pabbly Chatflow, you can easily and efficiently manage your WhatsApp conversations. So now, this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.